What if I told you there are 5 free AI tools that can help you earn an extra $500 to $2,000 per month on the side, depending on your skills and dedication? You're probably thinking that's too good to be true, but hear me out. These tools can help you increase your income, and every single one of them is completely free or has a free tier. You're probably tired of wasting money on courses and tools that promise the world but don't deliver. You're feeling left behind, watching others make money online while you're stuck in a 9-to-5 job. You're making about $2,000 per month, but you know you could be making more. You're working long hours, and you're not getting paid what you're worth. You're feeling frustrated, and you're not sure what to do. You're spending about $100 per month on tools and courses, but you're not seeing any results. You're starting to think that making money online is just a myth. By the end of this video, you'll learn about 5 free AI tools that can help you earn an extra income on the side. You'll learn exactly how to use these tools to make money, and you'll be able to start making money right away. You'll be able to work from home in your pajamas. One is a tool called WordLift. WordLift is a free AI tool that can help you write articles and blog posts fast. It's like having a personal writing assistant, and it's completely free. To use WordLift, you just sign up for an account, and then you can start using it right away. You can use it to write articles, blog posts, and even entire books. For example, let's say you want to write an article about making money online. You can use WordLift to write the article in just a few minutes, and then you can sell it. With WordLift, you can increase your writing productivity and potentially earn between $100 to $500 per month by selling your articles, depending on your skills and market demand. But this next one, nobody is talking about it yet. 2 is a tool called DALL-E. DALL-E is a powerful AI tool with a free tier available, allowing you to create images and videos, although with some limitations. To use DALL-E, you just sign up for an account, and then you can start using it right away. You can use it to create images, videos, and even entire websites. For example, let's say you want to create a website about making money online. You can use DALL-E to create the images and videos for the website in just a few minutes, and then you can sell the website. With DALL-E, you can create high-quality images and potentially earn between $100 to $300 per month by selling them, depending on your skills and market demand. But wait, it gets even better. 3 is a tool called Otter. Otter is a free AI tool that can help you transcribe audio and video files fast. It's like having a personal transcriptionist, and it's completely free. To use Otter, you just sign up for an account, and then you can start using it right away. You can use it to transcribe podcasts, videos, and even entire audiobooks. For example, let's say you want to transcribe a podcast about making money online. You can use Otter to transcribe the podcast in just a few minutes, and then you can sell the transcript for about $20. You can use Otter to transcribe about 5 podcasts per day, and then you can sell them for about $100 per month. But this is where things get really interesting. 4 is a tool called Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a free AI tool that can help you create videos fast. It's like having a personal video producer, and it's completely free. To use Lumen 5, you just sign up for an account, and then you can start using it right away. You can use it to create videos, animations, and even entire movies. For example, let's say you want to create a video about making money online. You can use Lumen 5 to create the video in just a few minutes, and then you can sell it for about $100. You can use Lumen 5 to create about 5 videos per day, and then you can sell them for about $500 per month. But the best is yet to come. 5 is a tool called Descript. Descript is a free AI tool that can help you edit audio and video files fast. It's like having a personal editor, and it's completely free. To use Descript, you just sign up for an account, and then you can start using it right away. You can use it to edit podcasts, videos, and even entire audiobooks. For example, let's say you want to edit a podcast about making money online. You can use Descript to edit the podcast in just a few minutes, and then you can sell the edited podcast for about $50. You can use Descript to edit about 10 podcasts per day, and then you can sell them for about $500 per month. You're probably excited to start using these tools to make some extra money on the side. In my next video, I'll show you how to use these tools to create a more sustainable online business. You'll learn how to potentially increase your income and create a more sustainable online business, with some users earning up to $10,000 per month. So be sure to watch my next video to learn more.